So getting ideas from Pinterest, off the net, all that is fine, or something that you saw somewhere else while on your travels or anywhere, in a magazine, for instance. But bringing it, adapting it, making it your own, that's the whole deal. In the design field, portfolios are extremely crucial because that is what showcases who you are. It's like your identity. Before the person who's hiring you understands who you are as a person, your portfolio speaks for you. So portfolios are extremely important. And so try to bring in your entirety, who you are, into your portfolio, because that's the only thing that sets you different from the person next to you, is you yourself. And like at the time that you are graduating or any moment, every year there are like thousands of interior designers coming out into the market, but there is only one you. So bring yourself out in your portfolio and keep that spirit alive whenever you're doing your work, because that's essential. Getting inspired for any creativity is fine, as long as you then adapt it and bring it to the design problem at hand. It's not a simple thing like a copy paste, cut, copy, paste. No, it doesn't work. What works is in case you adapt it to the situation at hand. There is this whole thing of creating bespoke furniture. It's hardly ever bespoke because you are bringing in your ideas, you're carrying a baggage, some design baggage that you have of your own, and your own identity is also there. But as long as it is being created for that particular client, for that particular space, it fits perfect. That is what sets you apart. It's like going shoe shopping, if you please. Everything, you can decide on the shoe, but then you have to find your own perfect fit. And sometimes when it doesn't fit, you take it to the cobbler and ask the cobbler to give you a little insole, a little side sole to make it that perfect fit. That's what we are doing. So getting ideas from Pinterest, off the net, all that is fine, or something that you saw somewhere else while on your travels or anywhere, in a magazine, for instance. But bringing it, adapting it, making it your own, that's the whole deal. If your design is evergreen, it will remain evergreen. It doesn't have to adapt to what the market trend is. You will be the trendsetter. You will set things rolling further. So just do your thing and stay evergreen, stay true to yourself, and it will go. You might have the best idea, but as long as you're not able to communicate it to your clients, it doesn't work, because they won't understand it, so you won't be able to do it. And suppose we do overcome the hurdle of explaining it to your clients. Then comes the whole business of getting it done. So it has to be communicated to your contractors, to your design team at hand. So one must learn to make really expressive drawings, not just pretty drawings. Pretty, maybe it might pass going through with your clients, but it has to be correct and to the core. So your exact dimensions, your understanding of details, everything must be there in your drawings. So if your drawings are perfect, there's nothing to hold you back from, because that is your medium of communication. So go for it. Make lovely drawings and communicate well. This is fun because after finishing college, I didn't pick up a job. I worked and I freelanced. So there was a lot of free work that I did, and before there was any paid work coming through. But the whole idea was that I'm learning. So I all suggest to everybody, is that keep a little diary, journal. What went right, what went wrong in the project that you did. Note it down. Once you've noted it down, you know that the next time that error is not going to be there, and what you did right, you will take it forward again. Bit by bit, your own design language gets set, and your whole design journey is right there in front of you. Sometimes you do wish to reflect, go back and see, and then later on, a few years down the line, you'll be like, oh my God, such mess I used to make. But it's good to know. So it's, as the whole adage, fail fast and learn from your mistakes. So go ahead on your design journey, be an entrepreneur, learn lots. And I think it's not always about the money. If you're getting a project, you're just starting out on your, in your field, right? So even if you're getting a project that's not paying so well, go ahead and do it. You will learn something from it. And that is what is your payment. So have fun. That's it.